Hi angels, welcome back to another video. So I bought a ton of vinyls from a seller on TikTok. I forgot the name right now, but eventually I'm gonna remember it. I think I should have left the link because I did use a couple other ones that I bought to make snow globe cups, snow globe tumblers. So I have to find the link or something. But I had these ones just sitting around, just collecting dust. I was gonna make another snow globe, but I was like, wouldn't these actually look good on a cute little clutch purse? And that is exactly what I'm doing. This clear clutch I got from Shein. I'll find a link for it and leave it down in the description box down below. And this vinyl, I don't know where I got it from. And then a scissors, because obviously you need to cut it off. Just cut it to the shape. And I'm trying to get these to stick on so I can just do it in like one little pull. But that was very, very hard to do. Eventually, I got a handle on it. So this is quite simple with these vinyls. You stick it onto either your tumbler, a C. You can do this on phone case, on laptop case, or whatever. But I wanted to see how it would look on a purse. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just sticking this on and then just pulling it off. And then that should be it. Call it a day. So some of these were bending, so I had to like cut and then maneuver it so that nothing is bending, nothing is folding, and that everything can just lay down there flat. My aunt looks so ashy. My. And I had some that was seeping over the side. So I'm going to do the sides, the corner, the bottom, everything. I just want everything to be covered up in this cute pink cowboy vinyl. And it's going to look so cute. So after doing that, I just rub everything down so that it can stick onto the purse perfectly so that nothing will be lifting, nothing will be moving. I made some snow globe with this vinyl, not this exact vinyl, but with different ones, different designs, and it stick onto the cup perfectly. It wasn't moving around, which was absolutely great. So that's why I got the idea, why not just stick it onto this purse? Yeah, and that's it. I just kept on doing this until I fill it up completely. This was a 24-ounce vinyl that I'm using right here. And I had a little bit left over, but I had a lot left over. Just a ton of the stars on there, but basically all of the big ones stuck on there perfectly. And you can see now I'm just pulling it off. Some are lifting up, some sticked on there perfectly. All those little spaces, I just fill it up. But this side looks so good so far. And now we're going to be doing the corners and the sides and then filling everything in so that there's no space. You just stick it down, rub it on there so that it can transfer on there perfectly. And yeah, that's how it looks. Now it's time for the back or the other side. Everything looks the same. It looks so good so far. Just cutting out some more, getting some boots, some hats, some stars. This video is very, very sped up, but honestly, this takes about 2-3 minutes to do. It's a very quick and easy DIY. Anyone can do this. It's just super easy. Gorgeous. There's some space still in between, but I wanted to make sure that I got the sides before I kept on filling it in. And then there's some boots, some hats, and some stars. Now doing the same thing to this side. And that's it. And yep, it looked great. So this cowboy hat I just wanted to remove it because it was uneven. It had a little lump in there, so I wanted to just remove it. And I add this one on there, and everything just looks nice and smooth. I love the way how everything turned out. I'm going to show you guys how it looks outside. It's starting to snow right now, but it looks so cute. You can wear this if you're going to a concert or whatever, because they always want you guys to have those clear tiny bags. I don't think this one would pass in as entry, but you never know. But this is just such a cute idea. I love the way how this turned out. This just turned out so cute. Just that simple. So cute. I love it. And that's it. A 5-second DIY hack. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Alright, so I didn't do a good enough close-up, so I just wanted you guys to see how it looks up close and personal. It is so cool. Gorgeous, gorgeous.